Welcome to the WinGIS tutorial series. In this video, we will demonstrate how to search for a parcel on our maps. When you first load a WinGIS map, you should see our sidebar, along with multiple different tabs. Today we'll be focusing on the Search tab. Most maps will have the Search tab open by default. If not, just click on the button that says Search to open it. Let's enter an address. When searching for an address on WinGIS, it's best to leave out any directional prefixes or street suffixes. While our address is 127 North Wyman Street, we can't be sure how different recorders might enter in that information. They could put North, N, or NRTH, for example. We'll search for 127 Wyman instead, so we're more likely to find what we're looking for. If we find a result, it will appear below the results count. Included is the address, as well as links to the township assessor, assessment info, and tax info. If you have many results, you can click the Zoom to button to bring the map to a specific property. Let's try a trickier search now. We're going to search for an address that has a house number of 123. Notice that we found lots of results, including properties that have 123 in the parcel identification number. Finding the right property like this will be difficult. This is a prime example of when to use search filters. Click on the filter icon to the left of the search bar. From there, we can toggle off searching by parcel number so that we only search by address. Now our results show only properties with 123 in their address. If we wanted to show only parcel numbers that contained 123, we'd do the opposite, turning off address searching and turning on parcel number searching. Finally, if we find many results that we want to navigate, we can utilize the table view. Click the table icon to the right of the results count. This can be used to view the results in a tabular format, as well as export them to a CSV file for use in other workflows. If the information about the parcel you're looking for isn't provided in the results view, try clicking inside the boundaries of the parcel. This will automatically open the Details tab. The Details tab displays in-depth information about the parcel. Sometimes, you'll click on more than one parcel at the same time. When this happens, you'll see an indicator at the top of the Details pane showing you the number of parcels you've selected. The arrow buttons on either side can be used to navigate between them, or you can view a list by clicking the button in the right center. That concludes our tutorial. If you ever forget how to use one of our tools, each tab on our maps contains a helpful pop-up explaining how to use it. Thanks for watching.